Hello friends, now we see the problem number 14, which is also based on rules of differentiation of chapter differentiation. The problem number 14 is y equal to x square into sin x into log x. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we write y is equal to x square into sin x into log x. So here we apply u into v into w rule, where u represent x square, v represent sin x and w represent log x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get the derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to. Now here we keep x squared sin x as it is and then derivative of log x plus now sin x and log x we keep as it is derivative of x square plus now we keep x square into log x as it is and derivative of sin x. Therefore, the next step will be dy by dx is equal to, we get x square into sin x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus sin x log x we write as it is into derivative of x square is a 2x plus x square into log x as it is and derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to, in first function we cancel x from numerator denominator, so we left with x into sin x plus in second function we write 2x into sin x into log x and in third function we write plus x square into log x into cos x. So this is the required solution for the given problem. Thank you.